Welcome back to the channel. Today we're just finishing up with my wheels. I got the new lug nuts installed. I got the wheels ceramic coated. Dropped the car a 1/4 inch in the front to level it out. And today my friend Matt's going to bring his FD by and we're going to do some work to it. Change spark plugs, change spark plug wires. We're going to do a compression check and we're going to change the oil. And also my friend Oscar is going to come over so I can help him install some wastegate pressure springs so he can get his car tuned. Here's some cold start action to start off the video. Don't forget to torque your wheels after you put them on. It's my boy Oscar. He has a T2. We're putting a 10-pound spring into his new wastegate so he can get tuned and dial in the boost.
Finally.
Right. We're gonna toss it in the vise because the spring pressure is pretty strong, but we gotta pad this so we don't mess it up.
Yeah, most definitely. Yeah, there ain't no way.
I was like, 10 pounds doesn't seem that strong, but those springs pretty dang strong.
Yeah, they have to be. And that looks correct. It looks like it's sitting flush and not all cockeyed.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was really scared about. I didn't want to file because they're expensive, bro. Just for one of them, it's like $350.
Yeah, I know. Those wastegates are pricey. Imagine how much the E-gates are.
Yeah.
They gotta be, I don't even want to know.
Yeah.
So I think maybe, let's see. We can get it partially compressed.
Yeah.
By hand, get some screws in it. And then little bit more. That's good. Those of you who aren't familiar with Matt, he's got this red FD. It's got about 45,000 miles on it. It's mostly stock, more stock than my car. He bought it last November, and we're just doing some basic maintenance today and doing compression check to check the health of the engine. Matt also has an S5 T2. You've probably seen it or heard of it. It's got super low miles, like less than 3,000 miles. And then he's also building a kind of wild style S5 NA with individual throttle bodies, lots of titanium. It's a super nice build. So check out his stuff on Instagram at Ruthless Rotary. We're going to change the plug wires, and they're kind of buried underneath, the coils are buried underneath the intake manifold and the throttle body. So we've got the throttle body off. There's a coolant line here and here. And then there's your TPS connector on the back side, which plugs in like basically around here. It's hanging out back here. And then you have 4 nuts here. You have to disconnect your throttle cables from the throttle body. If you still have cruise control, you'll have 2. And then to get this plug wire off, we're gonna pull this filler tube, oil filler tube off, and then we'll be able to change the plug wires.
And we're gonna do the spark plugs and compression tests. They're all buried down there. Hold the throttle all the way open, and then these bars are gonna fill up, and as soon as it gets to the end, you can stop. Okay. Got 104, 108, 103. That's good. Yeah, we can do another one. 103, 101, 109. Okay, just tested rotor 1. We're gonna swap the sensor over. Matt's down there. Gonna swap it over to rotor 2, and we'll check the rear rotor. Alright. Yep.
Throttle and crank.
Wide open throttle. Crank it. $111, $109, $105. Very good. I do one more. Cool. 108, 109, 107.
Had a great day with Matt, taking care of some things on his car. Was able to also fix a headlight lid so it doesn't fly off on the freeway. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.